And how's it going, guys? Tech, yeah, and I'm back again with another video. And today we're going to be talking about forex trading. Is forex trading a scam? And should you waste your time getting to know forex, or is it really something that is only for the few people that know? It's just not for certain types of people. I'm gonna answer those questions in this video, so stay tuned and let's get into it. So now, basically, let's start from the beginning. Forex has been there for a long time. It's just that it wasn't where it is right now with technology, where now you can trade currencies, you can trade stocks, you can trade cryptocurrencies. You know, it started back then in the olden days where you had to, you know, when you have cows, you can go and exchange with your neighbor. If he has chickens, maybe you have 100 chickens, and then you exchange for a cow. That is trading. It's not the forex trading we know now, but it is trading in the sense that, you know, you have to take your money that you have and exchange it for food. That is trading on a day-to-day basis. So is forex a scam? No, it's not. The only thing that makes forex a scam is the people that introduce you to forex and the brokers you end up choosing when you're starting your forex journey. So there are a lot of brokers that are out there to scam, you know, new traders who are interested in the market, because it grew so quickly in South Africa. One moment no one knew about forex, and the next thing everyone wants to be in the forex industry. So that also makes it easier for scammers and people that scam people to, you know, say, okay, this is an opportunity. There are a lot more people that want to learn how to do forex and they don't know, and then they charge you exorbitant amounts to say, okay, I'll teach you how to trade forex. And basically some of them don't even have the knowledge to even teach people how to trade forex. And forex is, you know, the teaching side is not regulated like that. There's no official forex schools that really teach you how to trade and how to use you know, your trading account, and how to manage risk, proper risk management, you know, how to enter, how to close, you know, how to make sure that, you know, you don't lose money. And if you're losing money, how do you close your trade so that you don't lose, you don't blow your account and stuff like that. So a lot of people take chances and they want to get clients, and for me that's probably why a lot of the new traders get it wrong, is that they want to get rich on forex. And forex is not a get rich quick scheme. If you want to get rich on forex, you have to put in a large amount of money for you to make the money that you want in the forex market. Yes, you can lose a lot of money, and yes, you can make a lot of money in forex, but it comes with a lot of knowledge and a lot of trial and error. That's why a lot of people do demo accounts. Then once they are comfortable with demo accounts, because using a demo account and using a real account is two totally different things. On a demo account, you might not have any emotions when you place your trades, and then when you are in your live account, you know, you have a certain amount of money. You don't have the same amount of money in your real account as in a demo account. And if you do have the same amount of money, hey man, you balling, yo, you know. So it becomes much easier for you to trade and make money in the forex industry when you have the same amount of money as in your demo account, because you can take a lot of risks, and you know, you don't have to worry about blowing your account every trade you make. So that's the reason why a lot of us young and new creators, that, you know, we so much, when you're in a real account, you worry about, am I gonna blow my account? Is this trade that I'm trading going to be a right trade, or is it going to be a wrong trade? And to be honest, you know, sometimes you get something right and sometimes you get it wrong in the forex market, and it's okay. It's just that people don't know how to manage their accounts properly. You know, proper risk management means that, you know, when things are not going your way, you can close quickly and then bounce back. You know, if you see the right setups, and if you have the right setups to, you know, to get back, you know what I mean. So basically, there's a wide range of things that I can tackle about forex trading. And basically, is it a scam? No, it's not a scam. And the only thing that makes Forex a scam is the people that introduce you to it and the brokers that you end up using that are either not regulated, or maybe a friend of yours or whoever said, oh, these people are quite good, only to find out they are making money off of your referral and stuff like that. So you just have to be careful, do your research, make sure that you do specific research on whatever broker you use or whatever forex school you end up choosing. Make sure that they have a track record of doing good in the industry, having some sort of success, because success in the forex market can be faked. Maybe someone makes a couple of thousands and then they start hiring cars, they start going to Airbnbs and then start doing videos and say, yo, this is where I'm at right now, join me if you want to live this life that they're living. So it's one of those videos, it's one of those things that you need to look out for, you need to watch out for. And just when you get those types of people, if you are interested in them and you're interested in what they're doing, what you can do is get a demo account and trade their signals and see if their signals are profitable. Yes, in a demo account you have a lot of money and you cannot blow a demo account, but set yourself a target and say, okay, this is where they said we must enter. Put your stop loss, put your take profit, and if it hits your take profit more times than not, then you know that they are really legit, because you're not going to hit take profit all the time. Sometimes you're going to need to manage your account. If it's not going into take profit, you need to close, or if it's going into take profit, you need to hold. Sometimes you need to hold over 2 days or 3 days. Sometimes you just need to close quickly. If you want to learn all of those things, I can do dedicated specific videos on how to trade properly and how to manage your account properly, because at the end of the day, everything starts and stops with you. You know how much you want to make in the industry, so you do not have to go with what another person is making, because they might be using bigger load sizes, they might be having a lot more money in their account. It's harder for them to blow their accounts than it is for you when you're putting your $10, $20, $30, whatever, $100. You have a certain amount of times where you can trade before you can blow an account. If you have a $100 account, a $10 account, whatever the case may be, and you need to bear in mind, you need to be mindful of that, and you need to know anything can happen in the market. Try and learn as much as you can, and once you understand and you know how to trade, get off the demo account and then go into a live account and learn trading psychology, because trading psychology and having emotions in the market can be the difference between you making money or you losing a lot of times. Because sometimes you can analyze the market pretty well, but you lack the necessary tools to place the right trades or to enter in the right moments to grow your account. And those are the things that come with learning. Those are the things that come with researching and giving yourself time to learn the industry before just throwing a lot of money into or throwing your money into it and thinking that you're gonna get rich in the market. That's one thing that I've learned in the few months that I've traded in the forex market. I've been learning a lot. I've made my mistakes. I've done things wrong and I've done things right, and I'm at a position now to say, okay, I know that when I take a trade, it could go my way, and if it doesn't, I know I can close quickly and recover within the next, within a day or two, depending on how the market works in that week. So yeah, if you have any comments about forex trading, leave them in the comment down below. I'm an open book in terms of forex trading. I'm not here to teach anyone, I'm just here to show you my journey on how I'm growing in the industry. And if you want to use the brokers that I'm using, I'll link them in the comments down below. But do your research first before you use any brokers. I'm not here to get clients or to get people to sign up for any Telegram groups or anything. There are lots of Telegram groups out there that you can sign up, and they've got like signals and stuff like that. This channel is not for that. This channel is more for education, to teach you guys, giving you the information that you can use so that you know that this is possible, and to show you that what to do and what not to do, and if things go right you need to do this, and if things go wrong you need to do that. I just wanted to go into this avenue because I feel like I just wanted to share the things that I'm doing, so that if anything starts going well, and you can follow in the journey, just like my channel. If you go back to the older videos, you can track my journey. There's none of the videos on my channel that have been privated. The only ones that have been privated are just minor videos that either had a copyright or anything small like that. But the rest of the other videos don't have any of those things, so I've already left them live, so you can watch and see the growth basically from where I started to where I am now. And right now, if you want to know about YouTube, I've got a special video coming up soon about YouTube and how I've grown in the YouTube industry. But basically, yeah, this is a video talking about Forex trading. Is Forex a scam? Definitely not. It's just the people that introduce you to the industry, the brokers that you end up using, can be a blessing or a curse. So you need to be mindful of that, and yeah, stay open-minded. Make sure that you're using the right brokers, and you'll have a decent trading career. And most of the times anyone can teach you something, but the best way to learn is for you to sit in the market and see how the markets work, and then you will find your own strategy, and you will grow into your own strategy once you give yourself the time to learn. Anyway, this has been Handsome Tech. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell so you can stay notified with the latest videos on this channel. With that being said, I'm Handsome Tech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.